Hey everybody, I'm going to make a video on how to use the pinger. I call this a hammer, and I made it high so that you can ping things as small as a dime. The one that you buy on the internet for $35, you can't ping dimes with it. Mine you can. Well, stackertools.com on your computer has the app, so to speak, but I prefer the app on the phone. Well, see, this is a Liberty walking half. Right here it is. So I'm going to click it like that. Then you just put this in there, and you can hear that. You can flick it, or you can take another coin. If it's a good coin, you wouldn't want to do this, because you might nick it, but you could use a little piece of wood rod, flick it. But anyways, you got to click start right here. Now watch. And here we go, listen. Look, immediately, pass. All 4 out of 4 peaks, and it just says confirm size and weight, but there's the diameter, the thickness, and the mass, but you don't have to do that, because see how these peaks are up in the gray areas? This one passes 90% silver. So that's how you use a pinger, and they work great. So you should get one if you can. Thank you all for watching. I'll put this on YouTube. Take care.